Hello and welcome to Daily Talking. My name is Alex. This is our podcast for English learners. Today, we have a long episode. We will talk slowly. We will practice simple English. Today's topic is my morning routine. My day starts at 7 a.m. At 7 a.m., my alarm clock rings. Beep, beep, beep. That sound. I do not like this sound. Do you like the sound of your alarm? I don't. I press the snooze button. Snooze. S-N-O-O-Z. Snooze. Snooze means sleep for 5 more minutes or 10 more minutes. I love the snooze button. But after 10 minutes, it is 7:10 a.m. It is time to get up. I open my eyes. I sit in my bed. I look at the window. Is it a sunny day? Is it a rainy day? I hope it is sunny. I like sunny days. I put my feet on the floor. I stand up. I am awake. First, I walk to the bathroom. I am still sleepy. Sleepy means I want to sleep more. So, I wash my face. I use cold water. C-O-L-D. Cold. The cold water helps me wake up. Now, I am not sleepy. After I wash my face, I brush my teeth. This is very important. Brush your teeth every morning. I use a toothbrush and toothpaste. I brush for 2 minutes, up and down, left and right. My teeth are clean. I feel fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. Okay, let's stop. Let's review. Review means we look again. What do I do in the morning? 1. The alarm rings at 7 a.m. 2. I get up at 7:10 a.m. 3. I go to the bathroom. 4. I wash my face with cold water. 5. I brush my teeth. Good. This is my routine. My routine is my plan, my system. Let's continue. Now, I am hungry and I am thirsty. Thirsty means I want to drink something. I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite room in the morning. Why? Because C-O-F-F-E. Coffee. I make a big cup of coffee. The smell is fantastic. I love the smell of coffee. I like my coffee black. No sugar, no milk, just black coffee. What about you? Do you like coffee or tea? Okay, now it is time for breakfast. Breakfast is the first food, the first meal of the day. Today, I am very simple. I eat toast, T-O-A-S-T. Toast is hot bread. I put butter on my toast. And I eat 1 banana, a yellow banana. I sit at my table, I eat my toast, I drink my coffee. This is my quiet time. It is nice. Breakfast is finished. I look at the clock. It is 7:45 a.m. It is time to get dressed. Get dressed means I put on my clothes. I go to my bedroom. I open my wardrobe. Wardrobe, W-A-R-D-R-O-B-E, is the big box for clothes. I work in an office, so I need nice clothes. I choose a blue shirt and black trousers. I put on my clothes. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I look in the mirror. I look okay. I am ready for work. It is 8:10 a.m. I am ready to leave. Before I leave, I have a checklist, a small list in my head. I need 3 things. 1, my keys to open the door. 2, my wallet for my money and cards. 3, my phone. Of course, my phone. I check my bag. Keys? Yes. Wallet? Yes. Phone? Yes. I am ready. I have a cat. Her name is Misty. I say, "Goodbye, Misty. Be a good cat." I put on my coat. I open the door. I leave my house at 8:15 a.m. And that is my morning routine. So, I wake up at 7. I leave at 8:15. That is 1 hour and 15 minutes. It takes a long time to talk about it, 10 minutes. But it is a good routine. What about you? Do you have a routine in the morning? Thank you for listening to Daily Talking. Good job today. My name is Alex. See you next time. Goodbye.